Hello everyone, welcome back to week 3 of spelling. Please open up your word work notebooks and number them 1 to 20 to be ready for the spelling pretest. Okay, number 1, humid. In the summer when there's moisture in the air, it is very humid. Number 2, remove. If you remove old papers from your desk, it will be much neater. Number 3, prove. You need evidence to prove your claim. Number 4, costume. I'm very excited to see your costume today. Number 5, rescue. I'm sure Hermie wished he could rescue Jimbo. 6, unit. We often measure things using the metric unit. 7, annual. Scholastic Book Fair is an annual event. It happens once a year. 8, suit. I had to wear a suit for my wedding. 9, include. Do not forget to include a topic sentence when writing a paragraph. 10, continue. You have to continue to work hard if you want to be a better speller. 11, future. Are driverless cars our future? 12, beauty. Rob believes the tiger is a thing of beauty. 13, movies. There are several movies that I want to see. 14, value. When the digit 4 is in the hundreds place, its value is 400. 15, humor. There is a lot of humor in the things that Sistine does. 16, museum. I went to my public library and checked out a pass to go to the museum for free. 17, avenue. My apartment is on a busy avenue, so it is kind of noisy. 18, produce. The harder you work, the more work you produce. 19, amuse. Sistine's actions tend to amuse Rob. 20, youth. When you are in your youth, you have a lot of energy. Okay, once you have finished the pretest, you may get out your spelling list that's on the table and paste it into your book and check your work. Okay, while you're checking your work, make sure that you circle the words you did not get correct and check the words you did get correct. Once you are finished correcting your pretest, you may put your words onto index cards so that you have them as flashcards. Once you have made your words into flashcards, I would like you to make a sort. I feel that there are 2 main sounds that repeat through all of these words, so pause the video and see if you can sort your words into 2 main categories. Okay. When I sorted my words, I found 2 main sounds. I found this category here, with the most words in it, to have the U sound: museum, humor, costume, annual, value, unit, humid, rescue, youth, costume, amuse. And then I found this pile over here with the oo sound: include, produce, prove, remove, movies, suit, and avenue. Now, what's interesting about these words is that here Every single word with the U sound has something in common. Pause the video and see if you can find out what they all have in common. Okay, so did you notice that all of the words in this column all have the letter U? Okay, so I guess that makes sense. If it makes the U sound, it has the letter U. But pause the video again and look at these words closer and maybe sort them. Do they all have the same way to make the sound U? And what I mean by that, is it all like UE, or is there different ways that the U sound is produced? Okay, so I sorted the U sounds into 3 general ways. Over here is the easiest place to start. I find the U and an E. So U in some sort of relationship with E. Sometimes it's U, consonant, E, and sometimes it's just UE. Okay? Over here, I notice that I have a U, a consonant, but then a different vowel. So in this case, it's U consonant I, again for humid, U consonant I. But for humor, we have U consonant O. But either way, it's a U, a consonant, and some sort of vowel. And then in this pile, youth and annual, they make the U sound with the combination of another vowel. So annual is UA. And then youth is cool, just like the word you. It's the O before the U. So it's kind of interesting to see all the different combinations to produce the same sound. But I can also imagine that if I'm just learning to spell some of these words, how confusing that could be. So I really think a good practice for you is to every day just sort your cards. Can you find different patterns and relationships than I showed on this video? And really kind of investigating words is the best way to become smart about words. We had a little talk last week about the need to work a little harder in word work. And yeah, these videos guide you through your basic exercises. But the work shouldn't stop there. It should be on you to do some of these activities and think further. So the next thing we want to do is look at our other words, the ones that have the oo sound. And why don't you sort those out, pause the video, and see if you can find some sort of pattern there. Okay, so when I did my sort, I found 2 major categories. I found words that use an O in a vowel, like remove, O consonant E, movies, O consonant I, and prove, O consonant E. But then, to just add trickiness to the matter, we have the U again. U consonant E, U in a vowel, and include its U consonant E. Avenue is U-E. So here's my challenge to you and my question. Why do these words, produce, suit, include, and avenue, why do they make the oo sound? How come they don't make the U sound like other words that use the exact same pattern? I'm going to play around. I want you to think about it. Is there anything in common in these words that aren't in the other ones? Is there any reason why these make the oo sound and not the U sound? I'm not sure there is a reason, but I think that would be a great thing to play around with and investigate the words. Okay, good job today, and I'll see you tomorrow.